Hello, this is Todd from Civil. Wanted to give you guys a heads up on what we're working on here at the Center for Inquiry-Based Learning. This year, we know we have some unexpected challenges ahead, and we know we want to keep students doing good hands-on science. So what we've come up with are individual student activity bags for students to continue to do good hands-on science. The way it works is you would order a class set, which is come in a box like this. In the box, we'll have 35 individual student bags. The bags will need to be distributed to the students via your distribution channels that are already set up at your school. All the materials are in here for a student to do 2 to 3 good science activities. There are no issues with cross-contamination. All the materials in here are consumable and they are not to be shared. They're only for the student. We keep the cost for these bags is right around $3 per bag. We currently have several titles made. This is our 8th grade chemistry bag right here. We're making more, and please reach out to us, call us, and let us know how we can help you in this upcoming school year.